Shut up and sit down.
All right, people have asked, Brian, how do you keep looking so good? So fit and so tan and so shape. I'll tell you one of my secrets. It's meal substitution with smoothies. So if you look over here, you'll see my very, very simple ingredient collection. Everything here is available at Sam's Club. I recommend shopping there. The only thing that's different today is I've got Jif brand peanut butter. They're all out of the organic stuff. I normally get the organic peanut butter, but this is fine. It's an okay replacement. So I'm going to turn all of this right here into a simply delicious smoothie. So first things first, you need your base. So pick a frozen fruit. You can do strawberries, you can do bananas. I recommend the triple berry blend because berries are fantastic with antioxidants. Good stuff for body cancer and staying healthy. And easy to pull. Berries in there. All right. We might need more of those to hold off on that. Local honey gives you a little bit of sweetness to it. Local honey is good for allergies. It'll help you fight allergies. The bees will use the pollen from local honey, and it makes you more used to the allergens in the area. So we can put a little bit of honey in there. Not too much. There's a lot of calories in honey. Go easy in that. We got a banana and an apple. So we'll make the core go away. No core, no more. Put the apple in so it gets cut up by the little blendy. Cut that one in half one more time. Pop. All right, need some banana. If you have bananas that are starting to go bad, they're fantastic for smoothies. No one wants to eat them, and they make great ingredients. We're getting a lot of vitamins out of this variety of fruits. With a little hard piece at the end, no one likes that. So if I ran the blender right now, it would go a little funny because there's so much hardness in there. So you need a lubricant for the blender. Orange juice. Pick your favorite juice, throw it in there. You can do water if you want to cut down on calories. I'm not worried about calories. I burn a lot with karate and working with the kids and stuff, so I'm not worried about all of that. I'm looking for vitamins, minerals. Make a little bit. What that's going to do is make a little lubricant. I've got my Sun Warrior High Performance Protein, plant-based. So again, this is a vegan-free meal, a vegan-friendly meal. Vegan-friendly meal. Put a little bit of that in there, a little bit of that there. All right, not doing the peanut butter just yet. You run the blender a little bit. Gotta get things started. You got the juice rises up. Grab the apples and bananas. There they go. All right, there's a good start to our thing. A little piece broke off here, so I can use my hands to hold it. It's okay. We got our handy dandy towel to put this on, keep the counters clean. Great start. Looks nice and smoothie in there. Now we'll throw in the peanut butter. Peanut butter I do last, it's optional. I mostly do it for the flavor. I already got protein in there. Peanut butter can be very high in calories, can be high in fat, can be high in cholesterol. So it's not exactly a healthy option. I just love the taste of peanut butter. And this turns the whole smoothie into a delicious peanut butter flavor. You can do a variety of things in here. If you want to throw some kale in here, some carrots. If you like peanut butter is a very, very strong flavor. It covers the flavor of things you may not like the carrots and the kales and everything else out there. But today I'm just doing just a fruit smoothie. Very sweet, very tasty. A lot of peanut butter in there. All right. And then we're going to take this guy, and you'll see in the corners on these ninjas, stuff gets caught. So use a wooden, kind of push down the corner, so go around and make sure. We'll do it again with the peanut butter here in a second. The peanut butter will get stuck in the corner. It's back on. I love this blender. Kind of see peanut butter getting stuck to the sidewalls here and stuff. If you want, take your little wooden spatula, just kind of push it down out of the way. Alright. Now it's decision time. If you want more, add more berries. If you want less, don't add any more. If you want it thinner but more, add more orange juice. If you want it thicker, add more berries. So use the juice to add volume to it, make it more of it, but at a thinner rate, use the orange juice. If you want it thicker and more, add more berries. So this kind of where you need to adjust. And you can see it's got the ounces on the side here. I try to stay below 40 ounces. That's a lot of smoothie. I'm a big guy there, so I don't mind. Do one more shot. Alright, so now, all you gotta do is pour your smoothie. It's a nice thickness to it. Perfect for this cup. These are easy to wash. Oop, made a little drip there. Clean that up. Have your towel handy so your wife stays happy. And this is a very manly lunch you can do. Meal replacement. Help you trim that fat. Help you stay healthy. Less meat in the middle of the day. Less calories. Less fat. Nothing fried. And you can carry this around. If you need to go do work, take it with you where you go. Lunch and then go. Because a busy man is a happy man because the wife is seeing stuff done. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.